Hi everyone, welcome to 816. On our today's lesson, I'm going to explain how we are going to find a solution of a higher degree polynomial. This one is that. So if you are a new member of my YouTube channel, don't forget to share, like and subscribe 816. So look how I'm going to do this problem with a simple technique. Therefore, in order to find a solution of this problem, first of all, we need to factorize. We need to find the factors for the constant. Is that? First, let's find factors for the constant. So, at the very beginning, first find factors of the constant minus 2. So, what are the factors for minus 2? So this implies that plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2 are the factors for minus 2. And then our next step is going to be what? From these factors, from these different factors, we need to find numbers whose product is perfectly this one and whose sum is the coefficient of x cubed. Is that? We need to find the factors of minus 2 from these whose sum is perfectly the coefficient of x cubed, and the sum of this, the product of this problem, negative 2. That's the point, or that's the word. Is that? So now from this number, as you know, let's randomly take from this one. So if you take this one, 1, and again, let's consider 1 and 2. So what can you say about this one? That means you can take repeatedly 1 from this one. Is that? Now let's check what will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus minus 2, and the sum of this is perfectly, look how it is gonna be. That is this one, which is the coefficient of what? The coefficient of x cubed. Is that? This is perfect because this will be 3. Now 3 minus 2 is going to be 1. And then now the next step is going to be, we have to check 1 times 2 minus 2 should be negative 2, which is the constant term for this polynomial. Then now these are the numbers whose product and sum will provide what I have already shown here. And hence, if these are the number whose sum is absolutely negative 2, I mean 1, and whose product is perfectly, that is going to be negative 2, and hence now this implies that this can be written as this is equivalently given by x plus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 1 into x minus 2, and that is going to be 0. That means when we find the product of all these, now we can have this one. Is that? So what are the solutions for this problem? That's objective. So in order to find the solution of this problem, what we're going to do? The product of as you know, for example, if you consider this one, the product of A times B times C times D, if it is 0, now this implies that either of these will be 0. A should be 0, or B should be 0, or C should be 0, or D should be 0. Either of these 4 different values must be 0. And hence, now this implies that the solution for the above equation is going to be what? X is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to 2. Is that? So these are the only solution of this problem. These are the real roots or zeros of this problem. So this is all about our today's lesson. If you are a new member of my YouTube channel, again don't forget to share, like and subscribe. 816. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.